You know your client's old 500-watt pool light is costing them a fortune. The good news is you can help save the planet and cut their energy bill in one simple move by introducing them to the QwikLED adapter. The QwikLED adapter makes it possible for a seamless retrofit from an older pool light fixture to a new energy-efficient LED fixture. We have a classic adapter cover and a plaster-in version for pool plaster pros. You know, if your client leaves their pool light on for a week or even a night, it's costing them a lot of money. That's why old pool lights are leaving our industry as quickly as builders can install new LEDs. But a new pool LED doesn't fit into the old fixture housing, until now. I'm a Cal Poly graduate, a general contractor, a pool builder, and I'm the first person to build a certified natural pool in the Western United States. I see things like this. I'm not going to tear up the concrete around my pool. I want to replaster when the time is right. But I also want a new LED pool light now. And I definitely don't want to worry about my family or a client's family leaving on a 500-watt bright white pool light all night long. I have a retail shop, a repair shop, and we service over 1,500 pools. So I know my industry backwards and forwards. I have 14 years helping clients and other industry pros. I know it's time to make reduced energy bills a reality without costly remodels. As an industry innovator, I've seen what's on the market. They're at least 3 times the cost of a new LED and the QwikLED adapter. Here's the kicker. That other solution is bulky and expensive, and the cable may not fit through the housing conduit. Multicolored LEDs are the obvious solution. In the pool industry, there are about 6 million pools that have the old, huge standard pool niche. And there's never been a way to transform from that light to a small LED until now. So the QwikLED adapter makes it possible for older pools to use energy-efficient LED technology. That means 50% less energy use and less waste. From my family to yours, let's keep that energy use down.